Hi lovely people, this is Meet Kaur and welcome to day 1 of our Healthy Smoothie Detox challenge. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. I've named this smoothie Green Dream because this contains mostly greens, and if consumed frequently, this can give you the fitness you thought in your dreams. Isn't that awesome? Yes, so Green Dream it is, and this recipe has been adapted from Joe Cross's Mean Green Juice recipe. He's inspired so many people and his recipes are amazing. So let's get started with our smoothie. The first ingredient is so obvious, leafy greens. So I'm using here organic power greens. They contain baby chard, baby kale and spinach. They're organic power greens. You can take any greens you have available in your refrigerator. Now leafy greens are, so I'm using here like 2 handfuls, around 2 handfuls, or maybe a little more. Yeah, a little more than 2 handfuls. This will make for 2 people. Okay, so the benefits of leafy greens, we know they are king of alkalization. Not only do they alkalize our body, but they also detox our body, they oxygenate our body, and they supply it with all the essential nutrients. They give our body folate, magnesium, iron, calcium. In fact, if you think of health, when we think of health, what do we think? We think green. When we think of nature, we think green. They also contain fat burning properties. They contain nitrites, which help to convert the fat storing white cells to fat burning brown cells. They are anti-aging, they are anti-cancer, they support our cardiovascular health, they help fight diabetes, they support our gut health, and the list goes on. But the sad thing is that we are not able to consume enough of leafy greens in a diet, so smoothies are a great and easy way to consume leafy greens. The next super ingredient is celery. This is celery. This is my next super ingredient. You know, it is anti-inflammatory. This is antibacterial, antifungal. This has got amazing fiber. If actually we see here this fiber, this amazing fiber here, this acts as a broom in our body and cleans our system. So this is simply amazing. This has got a lot of electrolytes. This aids in weight loss. This helps to reduce cholesterol, blood pressure, cleans our digestive system, improves our gut health, prevents liver diseases, helps to cure arthritis, helps fight arthritis, joint health, and so on. This is miracle food. So I have got some 4 to 5 stalks of celery chopped up here, and I want to show you this amazing thing here. This fiber, this is something really amazing. This thing also contains a lot of electrolytes, as I mentioned before. So I have got some celery chopped up here, and I'm throwing it in my Vitamix. The next super ingredient is cucumber. I use this English cucumber here. This is, we know cucumber is super hydrating, alkalizing, detoxing. It contains a lot of micronutrients. It helps to fight again diabetes, blood sugars. They help to balance our blood sugars. So I have got this half of this English cucumber chopped up here into slices. And my 4th ingredient is something that will make our smoothie tasty, delicious, and sweeter. So that's fruit. I'm using green pears here. I'm using Anjo pears, and I'm using this Bosc pears. Anjo pears and these Bosc organic pears here. So these are super amazing. Again, they have to support weight loss. They have antioxidants, so flavonoids. Again, amazing. You can add any fruit. You can add green apple. You can add even red apple if you don't have green, or any fruit of your choice. But I would say it's good if you use green fruit because we're making a green smoothie here. So full up. And last but not the least is water. So here goes in some water. If you want, you can add half coconut water and half normal water. Coconut water is nature's Gatorade. This is amazing. This is full of electrolytes. If you want, I usually use normal water, but if I have coconut water available, sometimes I do use that too. So yeah. So I forgot to mention about the super herb. I said I will be sharing one herb or superfood to enhance the power of your smoothie, and today's superstar is turmeric. Let me quickly grab some turmeric. This is a terrific turmeric. Let me quickly I just cleaned my turmeric up, and here is our amazing turmeric. You can add more actually. So let's try to, I use Vitamix. Why I like Vitamix is because it makes the smoothie so smooth that even my kids have it. So you can use any blender you have, any high power blender that you have available in your house. So amazing, isn't it? Show you closer. Add some water in it. I'm adding some water. As I told you, if consumed frequently, this can work wonders. So I'm adding it to my cup. And did you see how quick it was? So here is my amazing smoothie, and cheers to good health. It tastes amazing, amazing. I love it. So guys, I'll be back with my next smoothie soon. So try this. In fact, if you have not got these ingredients available, you can use any, just open your fridge, use any greens you have available, throw them in, and make this fantastic smoothie. And thank you for giving me the honor to help you. And don't forget to, if you like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.